Hello guys, welcome to another vlog with me. This time I will do a crocheting vlog. So I will firstly use you as my motivation to finish all of my ongoing projects, and then we might start some new one as well. So let me just grab the one that I want to start with so I can show you what we will do. Okay, so the first thing we are gonna do is redo this mohair vest that I made. This is just like two squares, two huge granny squares put together with little strings here, and as much as I love the idea, I just made it too small for myself and I'm not wearing it. So I have actually two ideas in my mind. Oh, sorry, my lenses are going somewhere. I can either just take it apart and make the squares bigger and still wear it as a vest, or I am gonna make a sweater out of it. I don't know yet, to be honest. I think I will just firstly redo the squares so they are bigger, and then I can decide if I like it bigger or if I should do a sweater out of it. Okay, so I started making the squares bigger. I added 3 rows to the first one, but of course 3 rows from each side, so it became quite like big comparing to what I had. Well, now when I put it on myself, I feel like I would want it to be even bigger. I don't know, like when I see this square, I'm like, this is huge, I cannot make it bigger, and then I'm putting it on myself because like I need to put it together, so then it's like becoming a bit less and so on. So when I'm putting it together and it is on me, it feels like way smaller than it is. I guess the best thing I can do is now make the other one bigger too by 3 rows, and then clip it and try it on if it's a good size. Okay, let's do some lunch. I have some pumpkin left, so I think I will just try to do a pumpkin soup. I'll just cut pumpkin, some potatoes, a bit of onion and so on, and then throw it into air fryer. And after putting into air fryer and letting it fry for a bit, I will then mix it and make an actual soup. veggies were in the air fryer for like 10 minutes, so they are cooked a little bit, but not like fully, but they have a very nice smell. So now I'm just gonna put them in Thermomix. I already put like quite a bit of water there and bouillon in a like cube, and I will just put it here, maybe not directly so I don't splash it everywhere. One thing about me is that I do not follow any recipes, so everything I'm doing, I'm just like adding some stuff and hoping it will be okay. Right now I feel like it's a bit too watery, so I will add some gorgonzola, and I will either look if I have cream, or if I don't have cream I will add some yogurt, and we'll see how it tastes like. I'm in a bit of a cooking slump recently, so I'm impressed that I motivated myself to do it. And there's like a whole Thermomix of it, so it will be for a couple meals too, thankfully. Okay, I will start it for a little bit more so it cooks together for a little bit longer, and while it cooks I will just prepare some breadcrumbs, and that will basically be it. Hello guys, it's the next day to be honest. Yesterday I finished the vest that I was redoing with you, but didn't really have energy to show you. But I have it on myself and I like it a lot, so as soon as I arrive I will show you guys. And today the plan is that I will use Office to film some tutorials, because I want to film some tutorials for like easy one-day project. So I wrote everything I want to do today. I don't know how much of it I will get done. There is some stuff that I want to do here in the office, some stuff that I can just do at home. And I will start with doing the tutorial for like winter headband. Let me show you what I'm going for. Like those are the 3 that I prepared to show you guys. Something like this. That it is, I'm doing it quite thick because I want my ears to be completely covered, so it actually like works as a winter headband. It doesn't just sound like it. Made a white one and a black one with a little of a mohair edge, and I also made like a little one as well. So I will be honest with you guys, I had to refilm the headband one more time. This is the first time I'm filming it from beginning, so it is going somewhere, huh? headband. I'm now doing like a little colorful part. I'm so glad I pushed it through. Remember that I started 3 freaking times, so it really took a while for me, but I'm glad I made it because I have a lot of satisfaction. And to be honest, I think this is the best one I made so far. So I'm glad that the best one is the one that I made for tutorial, because it means that whoever will use it will make a very nice one as well. So sometimes we just need to start again, and it's okay. It's okay to start again, it's okay to let it go. And we need a lot of patience with it. Learning something new. My plan was that in this video I will also show you how I am working on a pattern for some mittens. I did a couple versions and I'm almost ready to like try the final version of the pattern, which I also want to release in the form of tutorial. But I'm a bit running out of time because it's been a couple days since I last recorded, and I want to get this information to you as soon as possible because I decided that this year I will do Vlogmas. So I will start filming 31st, sorry. And then on the 1st of December you will get the first vlog, and you will be getting vlog every day for 24 days. So you will practically see my life live as you will be getting a vlog from every single day. So make sure you subscribe and put the notification on so you can be a part of it. And I hope you will like it because I planned a lot of stuff, a lot of fun DIY and crocheting projects, of course Christmas decoration and stuff like that, and a bit behind the scenes of just like me working and just having normal life as well in the middle of the Vlogmas, which I have to fit in somehow. So I hope you will enjoy this mix of work vlogs and a lot of festivities before Christmas Day. Sunday you will be getting the first vlog. So see you every day now.